Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna wrap. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, a large tortilla, and your favorite fresh vegetables like lettuce and tomato. For the dressing, we'll use mayonnaise, a touch of Dijon mustard, and some simple seasonings. This quick and easy meal is perfect for a light lunch or dinner. Now, let's prepare the tuna salad. Start by thoroughly draining 1 5-ounce can of tuna to remove excess liquid. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Next, add finely diced celery and red onion for crunch, along with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything until well combined. It's time to assemble your delicious tuna wrap. Lay a large 10-inch tortilla flat on a clean, dry surface. Take a generous amount of your freshly prepared tuna salad and spread it evenly across the center of the tortilla, leaving a border around the edges. Then, add your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy sliced tomatoes, or even some shredded carrots for extra crunch. To finish your wrap, carefully fold in the sides of the tortilla over the filling. Then, starting from the bottom, roll it up tightly and evenly to create a secure wrap. For an appealing presentation, slice your tuna wrap in half diagonally. This makes it easier to eat and showcases the delicious layers inside. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your homemade tuna wrap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.